Welcome my dear friends. Today we will solve a question from exercise 12.2. Question number 3. A gulab jamun contains syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. See figure 1. Figure is not to the scale. So this is the figure. And this container contains 45 gulab jamuns like this gulab jamun. So we have to find out the syrup contained in this container. So first we will find out the volume of one gulab jamun. So how we will find out the volume of one gulab jamun? So this gulab jamun is shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. So we will find the volume of the cylindrical part and two hemispherical parts and then add. So we will get the volume of one gulab jamun. So this is the sketch for the gulab jamun. So its length is 5 centimeter and diameter is 2.8 centimeter. So the radius of the cylindrical part and hemispherical part is 1.4 centimeter and the length of the cylindrical part is equal to 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4 is equal to 2.2 centimeter. So after finding the volume of one gulab jamun, we will multiply by 45 because this container contains 45 gulab jamuns. So we will get the volume of 45 gulab jamuns. Then we will take 30% of its volume because syrup is 30% of the volume of gulab jamuns. So now solution. Given one gulab jamun is a combination of a cylinder and two hemispheres. Length of gulab jamun is equal to 5 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to 2.8 by 2 is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Length of cylindrical part of gulab jamun is equal to 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4 is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Radius of both cylinder and hemisphere are equal to 1.4 centimeter. Now volume of one gulab jamun is equal to volume of cylindrical part plus 2 into volume of hemispherical part. So is equal to pi r square h plus 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube because this is the volume of hemisphere. So is equal to pi r square common ले लिया, ब्रैकेट में बचा h plus 4 by 3 r. So is equal to, now put the values. So 22 upon 7 into 1.4 square in bracket 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into 1.4. So is equal to 22 upon 7 into, या decimal हटा दिया तो 14 by 10 into 14 by 10 2.2 plus 5.6 upon 3. So is equal to 22 into 2 into 14. 7 से इसको डिवाइड कर दिया और 10 का 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, इसलिए अपॉन 100. 6.6 यहाँ एलसीएम ले लिया तो ये हो गया 6.6 प्लस 5.6 अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल टू 44. मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया 22 और 2 का तो 44 इंटू 14 अपॉन 100 इंटू इनको ऐड कर दिया तो 12.2 अपॉन 3 is equal to 75.152 upon 3 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of 45 gulab jamuns is equal to 45 into 75.152 upon 3. So is equal to 15 into 75.152. 3 से इसको डिवाइड कर दिया is equal to 1127.28 centimeter cube. One gulab jamun contains syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Therefore, quantity of syrup found in 45 gulab jamuns is equal to 30% of 1127.28 is equal to 1127.28 into 30 upon 100. So is equal to 1127.28 into 3 by 10. 0 से 0 कैंसिल कर दिया. Is equal to 338.184. This is approximately equal to 338 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. इसके अतिरिक्त आपके पास कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो आप सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, आप कमेंट्स में लिखिए. मैं उसका वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर दूंगा और आप सजेशन दे सकते हैं कि आगे वीडियो किस चैप्टर या टॉपिक पर बनाई जाए. विद दिस बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.